Good morning, everyone. This is Daily Trading Analysis with the market forecast for today, 14th of October, Friday, last day of the week. So after yesterday's big move, big move, we know that open interest for NQ is 5,000 plus 5,000, and open interest for ES futures are 25,000. So that means yesterday a lot of buyers jumped in. So it's not a hollow run. There's a lot of people interested in this price action to the upside. So based on that, we marked our levels. This support on the 30-minute chart in 11,000 is holding an overnight. We are ranging these overnight levels between this 11,000 and 11,135. That is this latest June low. So we are ranging in this level after this big hammer candle, this bottoming tail candle. That means bulls are stepping in hard. So 30-minute chart, we are still in this consolidation between these two levels. We are holding this support at 11,000, pre-market low, swipe that by 12 points, but we are holding. The only thing that is not bullish is that we are not holding settlement. Settlement is quite important level in the futures. Yesterday's settlement, so we are barely at that level, ranging in this zone. So apart from that, UK 100 is also putting a nice bottoming tail in this critical support level. That is good for the macroeconomic world, and I hope that we are going upside potential. I think UK 100 and Bank of England has a lot to do with the bullish sentiment, but the only thing that concerns me is that today, Friday, Bank of England stops buying bonds. So be careful with that, because for now, we have been stimulating the market, the UK market, but we will see next week if this UK 100 index falls below this critical support and the rest of the market fall with it. Dollar, quite important. Also, we are rejecting this zone. This is good for the market. Strong dollar is bad for earnings and bad for the economy on the long run, for the businesses that are trading overseas. So we bounced off the 200, but we held 112. That is more or less good, but I would like to see more pullback. I would like to see below 112 to see bearishness to the downside. We were calling yesterday that a nice pullback would be happening right now, and we would like to see this kind of movement for the bullish momentum to the upside on the rest of the US markets. Corporate yields are also holding quite good. I would like to see more upside above 72. We were pushing from the downside, but we're still below 72. And I think these high yield corporate bonds are high risk yields, and that means that I think a lot of investors don't trust this move yet. That doesn't mean it's not legitimate, but I think these corporate bonds are slowly picking up. That is good for the market. I like to see this 72. We have an alert here. I would like to see price going above 72 to confirm this bullishness. Yields, 10-year, if you go to the daily, 10-year is basically at the highs, pulling back from the highs, 0.408. Big level for the 10-year. 2-year is still going higher, 4.5 peaked yesterday, and right now is 4.4. That means that the inverted yield curve is looking quite bad. US 2-year is very high in comparison with the 10-year, and this differential in price means the yield curve is going to the downside. I have another here because this is a very interesting divergence based on the bullish market yesterday and the price of the yields. I think this is bad for the short term. We should be seeing economy going, yield curve going higher. I have as a resistance at minus 0.15. We would like to see cross zero, but this resistance is big. I don't see the price near this big resistance in convergence with yesterday's bullish move, and that's concerning to me. That, along with the energy sectors, still bullishness. Today they are pulling back, crude oil is pulling back, futures. Natural gas is still holding this big ascending support with the 200 MA. If we see natural gas breaking down, to the downside, and we see crude oil broke this descending resistance and now is dealing with the 200, the EMA, this resistance, this is a very, very critical level for the long term in crude oil. This is quite important spot. We need to see, I think for the economy, we need to see a pullback in here. I don't want to see crude oil going higher. That's bad for the economy. Energy prices are bad. It's bad for the inflation. We've seen yesterday CPI data higher than expected, and we don't need energy going higher. What else interesting? Utilities broke down yesterday and they pushed back literally a big spike, and they are in pre-market going higher. I would like to see 74 price broken. I need to see that to confirm this bullishness. This resistance needs, this previous support needs not to be resistance. I have an alert here in 64, and that's something that utilities need to go up. Utilities is usually a very conservative sector, and it going down is not good for the overall sentiment. We need utilities to bounce back. Something interesting, small caps are not doing new lows. Small caps are holding June lows, and this is quite good because usually small caps are the first ones bouncing from the bottom. Seeing signs, uptrend, and signs of bullishness in small caps usually mean that we are basically putting a bottom, and this is good to see. This is a big correlation with the stock market to the upside. We need to see this level taken for a big move, this bounce, higher low, and we need to see a big move up and perhaps holding that level. That would be ideal. Stock markets, Apple is holding quite good. Microsoft, with this bottoming tail, is holding this green area very, very good, bouncing from this huge ascending support. This is a nice bottoming candle. Amazon also putting a good hammer on the daily, dealing with the support. These weeks it swiped down but bounced it immediately. I think a lot of people is buying the dip on these stocks. Tech stocks are hot right now. Tesla is bouncing literally from this low. This is unbelievably exact for Tesla and for some others. So these moves off the bottom, these bounces, along with the open interest increasing a lot on futures, give me the confidence to say that we are seeing probably a bottom. We are seeing people jumping in to the train to the upside. That doesn't mean that we cannot go down and pull back, but this is a big change in the market. This is a very interesting, and I think is good for the market. This price action from yesterday is quite good. So we will see. If we go back to the 30-minute, we are dealing with some resistance here right now in the NQ, but we will see. In the 1 hour, we are in the middle of the range for the RSI. We are holding these levels, and I hope into the open, I hope we hold 11,000 and we can see another push to 11,400 should be the first red resistance in here. As you can see, it's quite clear, and an unbelievable move again would be to go to 11,500. That would be insane. So anything can happen. Yesterday we saw a big movement. A lot of people was surprised with yesterday's price actions to the upside, and I think we are going to see continuation. Levels to hold 11,000 and 10,190 to the upside. As always, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I will try to respond to all of you. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember that I upload new videos every single day for market forecasts like this one, market updates and market recaps. I appreciate your time and see you in a couple of hours with market update. Remember, discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone.